Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphilayo. Mina ngizocela kuwe laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha kuleli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ucindezele ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje, ukhiphishe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uyithole zonke-ke iy'ndaba esilethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. So ungawenza nje lapho ucindezele ibhathini u-subscribe njengamanje-ke udaba akulethele lona namhlanje. Futhi-ke sekuze kwakhomenta ngisho umlungu-ke kulelu daba leli MK ne-ANC ukubanga phela igama-ke laphana-ke nelogo. Wakhomenta-ke umlungu-ke wablame uFikile Mbalula-ke laphana, kodwa angifuni ukuthi wezwa ngami ukudlalela-ke ividiyo-ke mina-ke uzizwele wona-ke. Ngisacela kuwe laphana ukuthi-ke masuzwile-ke le video lena uhambe-ke laphana ungene ema-comment section-ke ubhalise abangani-ke ngalo-ke nje lolu daba-ke lolu-ke masicindezela nebhathini usubscribe nje, kubiza imali, umahhala nje, ukhishwe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke. Nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
So I have to say that Fakile, aka Fakile Mbalula, has been an absolute treasure for opposition parties in South Africa. This guy is a wrecking ball for the ANC, single-handedly bringing down the ANC, and I'm here for it. I'm not going to diss the guy. He's doing us all a massive favor. However, I just want to state that here he is as a Secretary General saying that he's going to take on the MK party for copyright infringement, right? So listen how idiotic this statement is. According to Fakile Mbalula, he says, MK is our trademark. It is well known in South Africa. It's the People's Army and it belongs to the ANC. Like, talk about a contradiction. So on the one hand, you're saying it's the People's Army, but hey, this belongs to the ANC. Not all the people vote for the ANC, you idiot.